So here we are at the second job of the day. I've got this Audi just behind me that's got a few dents across it. There's one in the bonnet panel and there's quite a few across the driver's door and driver's side rear passenger door. So there's a few small little dings and dents, but they all look repairable with paintless dent removal. So I'm going to run the camera around, show the damage that we've got to remove today, and then we'll show the process and the tools involved in taking out those dents. So stay tuned and find out more. So as we move across the driver's side panel, you can see we've got a couple of dents either side of this handle, and then quite a few dents just below the swage line on the rear door, and then moving forward to the front driver's side door, we have a dent just above the handle up here. And then a dent a bit lower down on the panel here. Moving across to the bonnet, you can just pick it up. In the reflection of this tree, we've got just a very small dent in the bonnet panel here as well. So using the window wedge, I've opened up the door gap, put my window protecting board down, and this tool here is a little hook bar which we're going to get just behind the dents and work our way across the panel to start taking those out. A small dent on this front wing panel as well, and it's just on this body line, so we're going to just get behind that liner and take out that dent, and I'm going to use this tool with the little red cap on to get behind it and take that dent out. We've now taken out that dent that was across the body line or wheel arch line on the front wing panel. So I had to switch cameras. I ran out of storage on my other one, so I do apologise. Bad planning on my side, but job number 2 was successful. Sorry. All the dents were taken out of the door panels, wing and bonnet panel on that Audi, and the last video clip we just watched was the finished product with those dents removed. So job number 2, it all done and successful with another happy customer, and now we'll move on to job number 3.